Things in my basement workshop that just make sense, Part 1. A 12-foot workbench that can also double as a buffet when I host family parties. A dresser that I can wheel out when I need to shoot footage facing the camera and store extra craft supplies. A wood-burning stove that keeps the house toasty and also good for disposing of an occasional wood scrap. Beautiful under-the-stairs shelving that I made with PVC pipe painted to look like metal. And upon closer examination, you'll see these baskets contain my woodworking supplies. Another shelving unit made with a DeWalt box and a cabinet I found on the curb. This is where I keep my art supplies. Follow and like for Part 2. Things in my basement workshop that just make sense, Part 2. A dedicated wood cutting area with storage for my flag pieces. An old window that I put on a barn track to keep the sawdust in the other room, and it also doubles as an inspiration board. This indoor staging area that I created to photograph my flags during the winter months. There are multiple backgrounds, faux mantles, and trim pieces so I can create different looks for my flag photos. When not in use, the pieces are very easy to remove, and in the void behind this sheet, I built shelves. This is where I keep my paint cans, and they're all grouped by color. And that's it. The rest of my basement is pretty much a cluster with no rhyme or reason.